Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss with you depositories in India. Central Depository Services India Limited. It was initially promoted in 1999 by BSE Limited, which has thereafter divested its stake to leading banks. It was set up with the objective to provide convenient, dependable, and secure depository services at affordable cost to all participants. Now let's have a look on an overview of CDSL. First point, wide depository participant network. CDSL has a wide network of depository participants operating from over 17,000 sites across the country. Second is online DP services. The DPs, that is depository participants, are directly connected to CDSL to provide services to the investors. Another point is wide spectrum of services available at demaat. Wide spectrum services available for the demaat. The equity shares of almost all A, B1 and B2 group companies are available for dematerialization on CDSL, which consists of public and private companies. These securities include equities, bonds, mutual funds, commercial papers, certificate deposits, and so on. Another is competitive fee structure. CDSL has kept its tariff very competitive to provide affordable services to investors. Online information to users. CDSL system is built on a centralized database and thus enables DPs to provide services to the investors. Convenient to depository participants. The entire database of investors is stored centrally at CDSL. If there is any system related issues at DP's end, the investor is not affected as the entire data is available at CDSL. Contingency arrangements. CDSL has made provisions for contingency terminals which enables DP to update transaction in case of any system related problem at DP's office. Meeting users' requirement, continuous updation of procedures and processes in tune with evolving market practices is another hallmark of CDSL services. Audit and inspection. CDSL conducts regular audit of its DP to ensure compliance of operational and regulatory requirements. Dormant account monitoring. CDSL has in place a mechanism for monitoring dormant accounts. Helpdesk. Depository participants and investors can obtain guidance from helpline facility. Computer systems. All data at CDSL is automatically mirrored at the disaster recovery site and is also backed up and stored in fireproof cabinets at main and disaster recovery site. Unique beneficiary owner account number. Every BO, that is beneficiary owner, in CDSL is allotted unique account number which prevents any error in entry and transfer of securities. Data security. All data and communications between CDSL and its users is safe. Claims on DP. If any DP of CDSL goes into liquidation, the creditors of DP will have no access to the holdings of the BO, that is beneficiary owner. Insurance cover. CDSL has an insurance cover in the unlikely event of loss to the BO, that is beneficiary owner, due to negligence of CDSL or its depository participants. Let's discuss some of the important services provided by CDSL. First one is account opening. To utilize the services offered by a depository, any person having investment in any security or intending to invest in securities needs to have a demat account with CDSL. The holder of such demat account is called BO, that is beneficiary owner. A beneficiary owner can maintain a demat account with zero balance in such account. Second is dematerialization, which is a process by which physical certificates are converted into electronic certificates. Process, delivery and receipt instructions. To settle trade done on a stock exchange and trades which are directly settled between beneficiary owners have to submit delivery instructions in the prescribed format to DP. Account statement. Generally, DP sends to beneficiary owner a statement of his account monthly if there is any transaction in the account, or every quarter if the account is not operated during that year. Rematerialization. It is the process by which electronic balances held in the demat account can be converted back into physical certificate. Nomination. Individual BOs have a facility for nomination in favor of all individual. If the sole or all the joint holders are deceased, the shares of different companies held in demat account will be transmitted easily to the demat account of the nominee. Transmission of certificates. CDSL offers a facility for transmission of balances held in beneficiary owner account if so required due to death, bankruptcy, insolvency, or required due to operation of any law. Change in address. A beneficiary owner who wishes to register his change in address submits his or her request in writing to DP. The changes entered by the DP in the CDSL system will automatically downloaded by all the companies in which the BO is holding securities. Bank account details. SEBI has made it mandatory for companies to print detail of bank account of the BO on dividends, interest warrants in order to prevent possibility of misuse. SMS. CDSL sends SMS regarding transactions and modifications in account details to the mobile number registered in the account. Now let's discuss another depository, that is National Securities Depositories Limited. NSDL. NSDL, one of the largest depository in the world, was established in August 1996. Although India had a vibrant capital market, which is more than a century old, the paper-based settlement of trades caused substantial problems. The enactment of Depositories Act in August 1996 paved the way for establishment of NSDL, which provides services to the investors, brokers, custodians, issuer companies through its network of more than 270 depository participants. NSDL provides numerous benefits. First one is elimination of bad deliveries. In depository environment, once holdings of an investor are dematerialized, the question of bad delivery does not arise. Another is elimination of all risk associated with physical certificates. Dealing in physical securities have associated risk like theft of certificates, loss during the movements, etc. This such kind of problem does not arise in depository environment. Third point is immediate transfer and register of securities. Once the securities are credited to the investor's account on payout, he becomes the legal owner of the securities. There is no further need to send it to the company's registrar for registration. Another is faster settlement cycle. The settlement cycle is T plus 2 basis. The settlement of trades will be on second day from the trade day. Faster disbursement of non-cash corporate benefits. NSDL provides direct credit of non-cash corporate entitlements to an investor account, thereby ensuring faster disbursement and avoiding risk of loss of certificates in transit. Reduction in brokerage by many brokers for trading in dematerialized securities. Another point is elimination of problems related to change of address, elimination of problems related to transmission of demat account, elimination of problems related to selling of securities on the behalf of minor. Thank you. I hope you like the content. Thank you. Thank you very much.